how to connect Astro A30 to Logitech G Hub. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect the Astro A30 headset to Logitech G Hub. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is understand that the Astro A30 headset is not natively supported by the Logitech G Hub software. Over here, if you try to connect the A30 to G Hub, you will notice that it does not appear in the software. After that, if you visit the official page for the Astro A30, you'll find that Logitech lists only the Logitech G mobile app for the A30. Then, if you want to control the A30 on your PC, you'll need to use the Astro Command Center software instead of Logitech G Hub. Over here, you can download the Astro Command Center by hovering over the software section on the Logitech website and choosing the Astro series software. After that, install the Command Center, which is the primary software to control the A30. So, to summarize, the Astro A30 is not compatible with Logitech G Hub. You'll need to use the Astro Command Center on PC or the Logitech G mobile app for mobile control. So that's how you can manage the Astro A30 headset. That's all for this video.